cultivating fruits need not be confined to expansive orchards. With the right approach, you can enjoy the sweetness of homegrown fruits even in limited spaces. In this guide, we'll explore 10 delicious fruits that thrive in containers or small gardens, bringing the joy of fruit-bearing plants to your doorstep. 1. Strawberries, the sweet starters. Containers, hanging baskets, strawberry pots. Strawberries are the epitome of container-friendly fruits. Perfect for hanging baskets or strawberry pots. These succulent berries can be easily grown on balconies or windowsills. Choose ever-bearing varieties for continuous harvest throughout the growing season. 2. Blueberries, bushes of goodness. Containers, large pots. Blueberry bushes are not only compact but also ornamental, with delightful spring blossoms and vibrant fall foliage. Opt for dwarf or patio varieties to thrive in containers. Ensure acidic soil and watch as these antioxidant-rich berries flourish. 3. Citrus trees, a slice of sunshine. Containers, large pots. Citrus trees like lemons, limes, or mandarins can be grown in containers, offering a perpetual burst of citrusy goodness. Provide ample sunlight, well-draining soil, and watch your mini orchard flourish on your patio or balcony. 4. Raspberries, vertical elegance. Containers, tall pots, or vertical planters. Raspberries, with their vertical growth habit, suit container gardening perfectly. Choose compact varieties and provide support for vertical growth. Enjoy the deliciously tart berries and the visual appeal of the vibrant canes. 5. Fig trees, Mediterranean charm. Containers, large pots. Fig trees add a touch of Mediterranean elegance to small spaces. Opt for dwarf or container-friendly varieties. Figs thrive in containers, offering sweet, nutritious fruits with minimal maintenance. 6. Dwarf apple trees, patio pomology. Containers, half barrels, or large pots. Dwarf apple trees are a marvel for small space gardening. These compact trees not only provide crisp, juicy apples, but also add ornamental value with their blossoms. Ensure well-draining soil and proper pruning for a bountiful harvest. 7. Patio peaches, sweet and compact. Containers, large pots. Patio peach trees are specifically bred for container gardening. Their manageable size makes them ideal for small spaces. Enjoy the succulent sweetness of homegrown peaches right on your patio. 8. Dwarf cherries, bite-sized beauty. Containers, large pots. Dwarf cherry trees are perfect for those who crave the sweet taste of cherries without the need for extensive space. Choose self-pollinating varieties and relish the beauty and flavor of these compact fruit trees. 9. Kiwi vines, exotic in a pot. Containers, large pots with trellis support. Kiwi vines are surprisingly well-suited for container gardening. Provide a sturdy trellis for support and watch as these vines yield exotic, nutrient-rich kiwi fruits in your small garden space. 10. Grapes, mini vineyards. Containers, large pots with trellis support. Grapes, when trained to grow vertically, make for an excellent container fruit. Choose compact varieties and provide a trellis for support. Enjoy the delight of homegrown grapes right from your patio. Tips for success. Right soil mix. Use a well-draining potting mix with organic matter for optimal growth. Sunlight exposure. Most fruit-bearing plants require at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Pruning and training. Regular pruning and training are essential for compact growth and maximum fruit production. Watering consistency. Maintain consistent moisture levels. Avoid overwatering or allowing the soil to dry out completely. Conclusion: a cornucopia in containers. In conclusion, you don't need vast acreage to enjoy the pleasures of homegrown fruits. With careful selection, proper care, and a bit of creativity, you can cultivate a diverse array of delicious fruits right on your balcony, patio, or small garden. These container-friendly fruits not only provide a bounty of flavors, but also add aesthetic appeal to your small gardening space. Embark on this flavorful journey of growing fruits in containers and relish the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown delights in a limited space.